Once upon a time in a bustling city, there lived a businessman named Ethan. He worked diligently from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, trying to climb the corporate ladder and achieve success. However, deep inside, Ethan felt a growing sense of emptiness and dissatisfaction with his life. He yearned for something more meaningful than the endless pursuit of material wealth. One particularly dreary afternoon, as Ethan sat in his office, contemplating his future, an unexpected visitor appeared before him, a serene and wise-looking figure who introduced himself as Buddha. Astonished and bewildered, Ethan couldn't believe his eyes. "Buddha, is it really you?" he stammered. With a gentle smile, Buddha nodded and replied, "Yes, my dear friend. I have come to help you find the path you seek." Ethan was both humbled and excited to have such a profound presence in his midst. "I am so lost, Buddha," he admitted. "I work tirelessly, but I feel unfulfilled. I want to quit my job and find purpose, but I fear the uncertainty that lies ahead." Buddha listened compassionately to Ethan's concerns and then began to share an inspirational story. Once, there was a wealthy merchant who owned a thriving business. He possessed numerous material possessions and lived a comfortable life. However, like you, he felt an emptiness gnawing at his heart. One day, he encountered a wise sage who seemed content with nothing more than a simple robe and a bowl. The merchant approached the sage and asked, "How can you be so happy with so little?" The sage smiled warmly and replied, "I am not attached to material possessions, for they are impermanent. True happiness lies within, beyond the illusion of wealth and possessions." The merchant was intrigued and asked, "But how can I find this inner happiness? I have worked hard to accumulate all that I have." The sage responded, "Begin by letting go of your fear of change and uncertainty. Embrace the unknown, for it is where new possibilities lie. Trust in the journey, and you will discover your true purpose." Upon hearing the sage's words, the merchant felt a sense of clarity wash over him. He realized that his attachment to material wealth had kept him from experiencing genuine happiness. Inspired by the sage's wisdom, he decided to embark on a journey of self-discovery and selflessness. He sold his business and donated a significant portion of his wealth to those in need. He traveled to remote villages, assisting people with his newfound purpose, bringing smiles to faces, sharing knowledge, and helping others find their inner joy. As the story ended, Ethan looked deeply into Buddha's eyes, feeling a sense of awakening. "I see," he whispered. "It's not about the possessions or the job, but about finding true happiness within and making a positive impact on others." Buddha nodded approvingly. "You are beginning to understand, my friend. The key to fulfillment is not in clinging to what you have, but in giving, sharing, and following your heart. Let go of your fear, and you will find the path that leads you to your purpose." With newfound courage and clarity, Ethan decided to take the leap of faith. He quit his job and started a social enterprise to help underprivileged communities. As he embraced the uncertainty of this new chapter, he felt a deep sense of contentment and purpose he had never experienced before. From that day on, Ethan became an inspiration to others, spreading joy and positivity wherever he went. And in his heart, he knew that he owed it all to that fateful encounter with Buddha, the encounter that changed his life forever.